These are elevators A, labeled A, at Select Specialty Hospital Metro Center in Erie, Pennsylvania. These are Dover Oildraulic, but they're modernized by thyssenkrupp with Magnus Classic. And I think early 2020 or early 2021, I don't remember what the record said. For locking number 3 though, here we go. Three. Sorry about the people out there. Still let's go and copy those. Oops, breaking that rule, but I'm not going to be taking videos or recordings of any patients. It's a basic cabinet. It's kind of an ugly, dated cabinet. There's a drop ceiling with an LED light fixture. I think they should have redone it when they did this month, but oh well. Actually, just this controller model on the record, so it's a pretty light one, but that sounds like a new motor too, so I don't know. Like a paint basement. Just doing the elevator. How close is that's gonna be at?